So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how we can make a pattern of LEDs with the help of Arduino. But in this video we can only program a basic type of LED pattern. So let's see how to make the connection. LED1 is equal to 13 shows that LED1 is connected with digital pin 13. All the LEDs as a variable connected with their respective pins. In the setup section, I have defined that all the variables are our output. Our main logic starts from here. Basically, our main programming starts from void loop. In the first part of void loop, I want to glow only LED1. That's why I have right here LED1 as a high. And like this way we can choose any of the LEDs as a high. In the next video, we will see how to decode a 7-segment display with Arduino.